Bengal teachers who lost jobs over a Supreme Court order on tainted selection process in the state are holding a protest in Kolkata today. There have been clashes that have been reported from the site. My colleague Shreyasi is getting us live visuals. Those are the live visuals of what is happening in Kolkata. Remember that police had put up barricades and protesters tried to break and enter Bikash Bhavan in Salt Lake. Teachers are demanding reinstatement of their jobs and they want this reinstatement without re-examination. Teachers protesting there, and that protests have turned violent now. Several protesters have been detained by cops. These are teachers who lost jobs due to SSC scam. Shreyasi joins me now. Shreyasi, these are teachers who lost jobs due to SSC scam. What are they demanding and how did this protest turn so violent?
Well, as we speak here, the situation still remains tense. Right now, the teachers and the police just clashed. The police did raise the lathis here. And it's just not the Bidhannagar police under whose jurisdiction the West Bengal State Education Department comes under, but also reinforcement has been brought in from Kolkata Police. Senior IPS officers are present here at the spot. Several teachers have been injured in the clashes with the police. Policemen have also sustained injuries. Police ambulances have taken the injured teachers and cops to the nearby hospital here. The situation has been escalating since sunset. The protests were already scheduled this morning, and it's only after 8 p.m. that the situation turned tense here. There was a clear standoff between the police and the protesting teachers. Now, these are teaching and non-teaching staff who have lost their job last month after the Supreme Court verdict, which had upheld the Calcutta High Court order earlier in the SSC scam, where the Supreme Court observed that the entire recruitment process was vitiated and thus 25,000 teaching and non-teaching staff lost their jobs. And you can see those visuals that we are getting to you from outside the West Bengal Education Department. This is a government office and these are government officials who have lost their job, government employees. And you can see the standoff that's brewing between the government and its employees who have faced this terrible situation, considering that the state has filed a review petition. The demand for these teachers at this present moment is that, one, the list be made public of the tainted and the non-tainted candidates, the ones who had paid a bribe and the ones who had actually got the job by passing the examination, be made public so that there is transparency and accountability that the state government has towards the ones who have actually got this job on merit. Other than that, their demand is that the state has filed a review petition, but they were not consulted in that process. Now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee yesterday has made it very clear that her state government has filed a review petition on the Supreme Court verdict and the matter is sub judice. It's going to be coming up for hearing, which it hasn't. Till then, there are certain measures that the state government has rolled out, including a scheme that has got a cabinet nod just yesterday, a social security scheme for the Group C and Group D staff. An allowance, a monthly allowance will be given of rupees 20,000 and 25,000 to Group C and Group D staff who have lost their jobs. Now, of course, the tension here outside the education department remains heightened. Additional forces of RAF and Bidhannagar police along with Kolkata police here on standby, and the situation remains volatile. There have been flare-ups and the officials who were held up inside the government office a short while ago was brought out in tight security and they had to avail the state police buses to be evacuated. They were essentially evacuated from that office where they come to work daily, and they were taken out in a single file with police cordoning off the entire entrance. Now you can see the standby forces there, senior IPS officers also there, but the situation as of now remains tensed outside. Back to you.
Okay. Also, Shreyasi, one question. How is the Mamata Banerjee government looking at this? Because there have been repeated assurances from the Chief Minister herself that, these teachers have to come back to their jobs, but the untainted teachers are also protesting. And more importantly, how many teachers are we talking about here? Because there were more than 25,000 teachers who were fired with that one order by that court. So are we talking about hundreds of teachers or are we talking about thousands of teachers here?
Well, the total number of people who lost their jobs was 25,725. This also including non-teaching staff. There was approximately 15,000 teachers who were axed due to the Supreme Court verdict. This also included Group C and Group D staff of government-run schools. And these were teachers primarily from class 9 and class 10 who impart education to the senior section of the government-run schools here in West Bengal. They have been fighting against the Mamata Banerjee government for a long time now, since that SSC scam broke out. Remember, then Education Minister Partha Chatterjee still remains in jail. Several officials are still imprisoned. The CBI is conducting an investigation into the entire matter. And now that the state government has filed a review petition, it is yet to come up before the Supreme Court for hearing. Back to you.
Right.